group. 5 process groups in P. They're also known as focus area, initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closing. If you understand what happens in them, you can solve any PMP question. Initiation, project charter, assumption log, and stakeholder register. These are the 3 things that happen. With the approval of the charter, your project is initiated. You have assumption log with all the assumption and constraint. Stakeholder register have all the stakeholders with power, interest. What are those stakeholders in the stakeholder register? Then you make a, in planning, you go to planning, you make a project management plan which consists of 18 plans: stakeholder, communication, risk, resource, scope, schedule, cost. All the 18 plans are there. You also decide, shall we go for agile or predictive in the planning part. So now you have made the plan for predictive, and for agile you follow the agile framework. Once the plan is approved by the sponsor, now I start working into it. This is called execution. The plan is approved by governance board or sponsor. Once the plan is approved, you implement in the execution. You don't think, you just implement in execution. In monitoring and control, you compare plan versus actual. What's the real plan and what's the difference between that? In monitoring and control, what I love to say is variance analysis is done. Are we on the plan or not? This is important. This happens in monitoring and control and not in execution. Are we on the plan or plan is not valid? So if your plan is not valid, you raise a change request is raised and it goes to change control board. When a change control board approves the change request, then you update the plan and implement in the execution. Please note, a change control board have to approve the change request. If the change control board deny the change request, we just communicate according to communication plan that the change has been denied. We do not implement that change. We keep on doing that. We check our schedule performance index, cost performance index, risk report. We do quality audit, risk audit, procurement audit in monitoring and controls. We keep sharing that, converting work performance data into information, and share the report in managed communication. So this keeps on happening. Once a deliverable is verified first by internally, verification is internally by the quality team, it becomes verified deliverable, then it goes to validate deliverable, where the client accept, it becomes accepted deliverable. Now we go to closing. Important thing, project fail or pass, it has to be closed. Once the project is closed, I send the final report, we update ops, documents archive, team is released. So that's 5 process group, or in summary, your entire PMP in 3 minutes. Do you enjoy it? Put in something in the comment box. Group. 5 process groups in P. They're also known as focus area, initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closing. If you